Bro, yeah. Go on. Hey, what's up people, it's your boy TripleLLs TV. Welcome back to our next video. Yes, so today's video, oh yeah, we got baby mother today. No belly, baby's here. Looking like her sister, beautiful. But we're gonna give her some time before we can show you guys. But yeah, she's here in good condition,
Healthy.
No sickness, good health. So alright, so you guys can see the melons. It's gonna be a melon contest.
Abby's gonna help
me
me
eat it. Look a fun video. So I decide. I'll be ready. Alright, so two of them upon me. So two of them against me.
Okay.
So Abby and mommy against daddy.
Okay.
I mean, so
let's go.
So let's start this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And make sure you guys like, comment, and share, subscribe to your boy channel. Let's get into the video.
Good job.
So we got two slices. Each got two slices. She got two, this one and that one right there, and this one and that one outside. So, and the thing is, we can't. She ready already.
Can't use your hand, but Abby's using her hand.
Look at yeah, she ball ready. So alright, we're gonna eat this. We're not gonna use our hands. I mean, so we got hands gonna be behind us, so we're gonna bite down to it and who finish first and stuff like that. Just a fun video, as I said before. Entertain you guys. You gotta put your hand behind.
I'm gonna cheat. Let's start it. Alright, let's start the video now.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, one, two, three, ready. Ooh, got four. Okay, take time.
I feel like you're gonna win this.
It's not really sweet for him.
Abby, you gotta give me space to eat the melon.
Take time, Abby, take time.
Oh my god, this is messy. Oh my
Excuse me?
goodness.
Not fair because I have to stop and put the pacifier in the baby's mouth.
Yeah, Amela is on the other side, guys.
Oh my goodness. Abby's like.
Abby.
This is no joke.
Hey, you can't use the hand. Use your touch the girl. Don't use the hand.
Well, Abby's dragging. See, Abby's dragging the plate, so I'm like pulling it back.
And what? I mean, even bite bigger than you. Yeah, sure. Or you bite, Abby. Sure, you bite.
Do we have to eat? How far do we have to eat it down?
I guess far enough.
After a while, you can't get in. Well, I can't. Yes, baby.
Yeah, shake you to that, right?
I love my daughter. Yeah. See? It's so funny. Look at her.
I'll be a bigger bite than mommy, man.
Yeah.
Abby said, this is how you bite with melon.
Show mommy. Show mommy how you bite the melon. Good job.
Ooh.
She's teething, so I know she's loving this melon right now.
Sorry about all the mess, guys. You know, watermelon go already. When you eat watermelon, it get really messy.
Okay, is this enough? I think my jaws are hurting.
Alright, next one.
Oh my god, this is not fair. Abby's holding on to the melon. Here we go, Abby, let's go. Daddy's cheating. belly is so full right now. Oh my goodness.
I want some.
I want one too.
Okay, it was real wet.
Fries with melon. Excuse me, this melon is really sweet. So, Abby, are you enjoying that? Don't bite it there. Bite it from the top. Bite it from the top. Yeah, good job. Hey, I saw that! You're cheating.
Yeah, John Mayer.
Laughing! Oh my god!
This watermelon really full of water.
Oh my baby.
She almost drowned me.
It's okay, Amelia. We're almost. You're not supposed to use your hand. You're cheating. You're cheating. All right, baby. All right. See, this guy's not fair. He win. You're finished, right?
Yeah.
So you won. But
That's triple foot right now.
he won by I was disadvantaged.
You know, I think this was mine. This.
The smaller one was mine there.
Oh, this was mine. And that's theirs. As you guys can clearly see, your daddy win.
Abby's still eating.
Still,
Yes.
game over, Abby.
Don't mind him. Keep eating.
Game done, Abby.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so
Okay,
guys
that
can
was
see daddy win and mommy and daughter lose. So
by a disadvantage, he was cheating.
no, you almost drowned me, bro.
And I had the baby.
Yeah, we got
Amelia in the corner.
right beside us, right there. I think the pacifier fell out her mouth, so that's why she was crying.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, thank you guys for watching. A little fun video.
With the
Watermelon
family once again.
eating contest.
He won.
Daddy against daddy.
Cheating. Daddy against daddy.
Daddy against daughter and mother. So thanks you guys again for watching, tuning in to your boy channel. It's a boy TripleLL TV and the family. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you guys, cause this was our first eating video, so if you guys was entertained by this video, you guys like this video, please comment below and let us know what else you guys want to see an eat off challenge between us three, between daddy and dad and mommy. So just comment below and just let us know. And as again, big up on yourself, stay good, bless up on yourself. TripleLL TV, I'm out. Bro, yeah. Go on. I was a bag of water, you almost drowned me, bro.